I've been coming to Optimal Health and Wellness for over 6 years. At Optimal Health and Wellness, I receive hormone replacement therapy. I've had wonderful results. I'm very happy with my results. I feel younger than I did 6 years ago. I feel healthier than I did 6 years ago. And all the smiling faces.
I have had hormone replacement therapy. I found Optimal Health and Wellness to be very professional and friendly. The people and the staff who work here are very welcoming and very caring.
So I've been coming to Optimal Health for about a year to a year and a half now. So the treatments I've had here have generally been supplementation, trying to optimize my levels. I'm in my early 50s now, so I was looking for some help in my life, energy and vitality more than anything, so that's what I was looking for.
Optimal Health and Wellness has improved my health and bettered my life by helping me feel younger. I've lost over 85 pounds. My testosterone was very low. It is normal now, so I'm able to see the results with energy. I have better results when I'm doing workouts, and I think it helps with my mood.
It increases your energy with your kids, your energy with your wife. I needed help. I was waning and dragging, so it affected all areas positively.
Step out, take the chance, and I think you would be very surprised, pleasantly surprised, what an impact it would have on your life.